How to invite friends to Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can invite friends to Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to invite friends to Binance, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Binance application here. And let's say that you also want to invite some of the friends. Then you have to tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Then once you're here, you'll simply find all these sorts of options where you want to actually go to the referral. Now you won't find the referral option if you're on the pro version, so you can switch to Binance Lite over here. Then again repeat the same steps here and then simply go to referral. Now when you go to referral, this is where you'll find all of the crypto exchange referral programs and everything else. And here you can see invite friends, so you can tap on invite friends and ask them to share with your referral link and ask them to join Binance. Then you will get a certain amount of bonus based on what you have referred to. This way you'll be able to invite friends to Binance. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.